I cannot even tell you how many times I've heard the words just for now, not just with my clients, but in my own head. When the words just for now come to mind, it's often because we don't want to take the time to deal with whatever it is that we have in our hands or that we're thinking about right now. And by putting something off now, it's just adding to the burden for our future self, which is going to have enough on their plates, right? Like, we don't need to add anything to our future self. So when the words just for now come to mind, I want you to just notice what you're doing, notice what you have in your hands, what you're thinking, and see if you can switch that thought to, I think I'll just do it now. So this might mean taking an extra few steps to put something away where it belongs. It might mean making a quick decision. It might mean opening that piece of mail or all of the mail and tossing everything you don't need. It might mean asking someone to help. Just see if there's something that you can do when that thought, I'm just going to put this here for now. If there's something you can do to just switch it over and do it now. So even if you have a house full of clutter, you can begin right now replacing just for now with just do it now. So give it a try. Let me know how it goes. This has been revolutionary in my life. That doesn't mean I don't procrastinate and that I do everything right now, but it definitely helps the piles from growing too big. So good luck. No more just for now. Bye.